Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the dual charging speed test in the ROG Phone 3. So yes friends, this is a dual charging speed test which I'm going to do right now at this moment to check whether the phone will actually support the dual chargings or not. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. And I do have the digital tester which I do as you can see here. So by using this digital tester, we'll be able to get to know what is the power going from the bottom one and what is the power entering from the side one as well. So in this way, we can actually calculate what is the maximum output the phone maximum input the phone is actually taking to via two cables. That's what my main point of making this video. So ROG phone has got two USB ports which we do know. So some of the people, they are actually having the doubts. So which port will be charging faster if you try to use two ports, and will it affect any kind of charging speed? Will it increase charging speed or not? That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. And I did install the application as well to show you what is the highest charging speed which I'm getting. 5650 which has been recorded, as you can see, highest charging speed using the bottom one, 5600 milliamperes, 5650 milliamperes using the only the bottom one which I'm getting right now. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the side one. So this is connected to the Asus ROG phone's charger only exactly. And let me just show you the charging cables and adapter is Asus ROG charging one which I connected, as you can clearly see here. And next one, I'll try to connect to the another charger from the MI, which is a 33 watts charger. 33 watts, yes, exactly. So I'm going to connect via this one, and now I'm going to check it. What happened? So you can see it's kind of powering, and let me try to connect to the phone. Let's see how much the power input will it be there. So right now it's showing 0 amperes when there is no phone connected, and now when the phone other cable is connected, let's see what message we are going to get. So we are not getting any kind of message saying that it's kind of dual charging, nothing at all. Right now, as you can see friends, it's charging via side one as well, as you can see. So it's charging, I think, in a very slow rate, maybe 8 volts I'm getting, and 0.42 amperes. And in the charging indication, let's see what is application is showing us. So after some time, we'll be able to get on the highest speeds what it can actually record. So this is the 33 watts which I'm trying to use right now to charge, and this is the original charger which I'm trying to use. So we can actually understand what is happening. And one more quick note, I'll try to interchange these two and I'll try to check what is going on. So only one cable is connected. The charging speed you can see. So it will go up to 3 amperes. It can go up to 3 amperes if only one cable is connected at this moment. And it's showing 1 amperes. So it can actually go up to, as you can see, 2.61 amperes, and it will go only up to 2.92, somewhere around that kind of amperes only. Now I'll try to connect to the bottom one as well at same time. So now let's observe what is going to happen. This will be the maximum amperes. It cannot increase more than that usually, as you can see. Now I'm connecting 1, 2 and 3. I did plug in. So I'm not getting any kind of indication friends when I'm trying to charge using the ROG phone's original cable on the sideways, and I'm trying to connect this one. I'm not getting any kind of indication, nothing at all. It's not showing at all, as you can clearly see. As soon as I remove this cable, now the phone is showing charging, fast charging using this one. As soon as I remove this cable. So when I enter this cable, let's see what happens. Now it's taking power from the sideways. I think the bottom one should be stopped. Let's see what happens in the bottom one. So I can see the amperes, but there is no power is going exactly. As you can see friends, there is no power entering into the phone when the side one is connected exactly. So you can actually understand clearly what is going on. So side one I did connect that Asus ROG phone 30 watts, and the bottom one it's not taking any power. As soon as I remove this one, the bottom one should be able to start taking the power. As you can see, now it started to take the power as well. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to connect this ROG phone's original cable to the bottom one. I'm connecting this one. This is another charger to the sideways. So what happens, let's see whether it will actually change any kind of charging speed or not. And now we'll be able to get to know I'm connecting the charger, connected, As soon as the side one is connected, the bottom one will be completely shut down. Yes, it's not taking any kind of amperes. So you cannot charge the ROG Phone 3 using two chargers at same time. It's not possible. So in this way we got to know the clear example. So whatever cable you connect to the sideways, that will take as a main charger, main charging input. That's it. So this is the final conclusion, friends, and that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. As soon as I remove, it will start taking the power from the bottom. This is a quick conclusion which I thought of giving you all regarding the phone charging things in this ROG Phone 3. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And this is the final thing. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.